Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. It's been a little while since my last sleep video, but finally have some free time. I really want to keep tracking, gather the data, and hopefully improve my own sleep. Last, I was using this Garmin Fenix watch. I normally track running with it. It does an okay job at sleep, but every time I wear it at night, I notice it being a little bit bulky. So I'm hoping to get a less bulky version. Let's do some research. Okay, I really like this video by Lizzie Pierce. I agree with her and prefer the Ultrahuman because the Aura has a $6 subscription per month. The Ultrahuman, we buy the ring once and we're good to go. My favorite store, Costco, also sells the Ultrahuman. We're gonna try the sizing kit first. Let's place an order. I've been wearing these for the past 2 weeks and I still haven't made a decision on which one. Not sure if it's because weird size fingers or I'm indecisive or both. For the past 2 videos, I've been trying out different sizes, the spindrift video and the painting video. Where I'm currently stuck on is size 8 and 10. Number 9, I am ruling out. Way too loose on ring finger, way too snug on middle, doesn't even fit. And this one, it cuts off a little circulation. We'll see if we could get that on camera. 8 fits really good on the ring finger, just a little too loose. But 10 fits really good on the middle finger, just a little too tight. But this one is way too tight and I feel like it's already cutting off circulation. It's like pressing against my finger. So definitely not 9. Uh-oh. This is why we're not going number 9. There we go. 10, I prefer it a little snug because when I wash my hands or shower, I can feel it's sliding off a little bit. So I'm leaning towards this one, but this one just feels really good too. And I'm gonna make this its own video. I don't wanna rush this process. Hopefully I make a decision in the next few days and we'll do an unboxing when I finally make the purchase. Also leaning towards the 10 because I can switch it to this one that is pretty loose, but I don't know, if I'm taking too much creatine or too much salt and I get bloated, I can switch from here to here, whereas the 8 will only fit on the ring finger. Hopefully I'll make the purchase soon, but for now, video 317 done.